Hey guys, welcome back to JMC Cars. Today we are driving the 2021 Volvo V60 T6 Recharge all-wheel drive 2.0 Inscription. In this video we'll take you guys through the exterior of the car, the interior, and take you for a comprehensive drive. Let's start with the front of the car. Really nice front grille, nice headlights. Volvo has really stepped up their game with the latest cars. If we go along to the side of the car, again, beautiful car. And just last week I drove the A6, so these two cars can really be compared. Both beautiful family wagons, really nice details along the side. If we take a look at the wheels, 19 inches rims. Let's go around to the back of the car. You got your V60 logo and your T6 all-wheel drive Recharge badge, some kind of real exhausts with the real exhaust behind the big square, and of course your modernized big taillights, which you can recognize from the older models, but they look really nice in this modern version. Something funny about the rear of this V60 is the wiper. Just look at how tiny it is, but it gets the job done. Let's take a look at the trunk. Just click here. The trunk capacity is 529 liters, so decent space for a family car. Right at the front of the car you will find the charging port. I don't know why it's so hard to open, but you just need to click it. And there you have the charging port for the 18.8 kilowatt hours battery. Let's take a look at the engine. Here you have your inline 4, and the total system output with both the engine and the battery is 345 horsepower and 659 Newton meters of torque. The 0 to 100 is 5.4 seconds, and we will show you guys that later on in the video, so hang around for that. Enough of the exterior, let's jump in the back of the V60. Here you have the door, plastic and some nice leather, which actually looks like real leather. Nice leather seats. Just go this up, jump in. Driver's seat is adjusted for my height. I'm the driver. I am around 184 centimeters. A lot of space, knees aren't touching the seat. Really comfortable back here. Here you have your cup holders. Down here you have heated seats for the two back seats. Really nice feature. Let's take a look at the interior of the car. Again, the door is the same as in the back. Your plastic, leather, memory seats, recharge badge. Just take a look at these seats. They look like something from an older Volvo. Really comfortable, soft leather seats. You don't really find this in many modern cars, but let's jump in. Let's turn on the car. Do that by pressing the brake, twisting this, and the car comes to life. Nice leather steering wheel, a lot of features, big center screen, and what looks like a glass gear shifter, but I think it's just plastic. Overall, really nice interior. Down here you have your different drive modes. Right now we are in constant all-wheel drive. Then you have your pure, your hybrid, and power for sporty driving. Let's take the V60 for a spin. And if you like our content here at JMC Cars, please consider to subscribe. We can see that 98% of our viewers are not subscribed, so please consider that. We would really appreciate it. But for now, let's go into hybrid and take a drive through the forest. This is one of the better hybrids I have driven. Really smooth drive. No noise for when the engine turns on and off. Just in general, really smooth drive. Let's head for the highway to test the performance. So let's go into power. And automatically when you go into power mode, the engine turns on. This car should be kind of quick with the 345 horsepower. So let's test that. And the top speed is 180, but we can test that right here. Actually, really fast, picks up really quick. Just perfect for the highway to cruise. Let's get off the highway again and find some smaller roads to test the performance even more. Let's take a ride here and test the performance again, and we're already in power mode. Out here. Handles really great in sport mode, stiff suspension and a nice powerful engine. So this car really suits the family person who wants a bit more power than most boring family wagons. But let's head down to the end of the tunnel and do a 0 to 100. Let's see if we can brake boost it. That's really quick. This has been the 2021 Volvo V60 T6 Recharge. Thanks for watching JMC Cars. We'll be back with another video next week.